And today I'm going to do a video on this iPhone 8, which has a cracked screen, which is sort of an understatement. I'm going to replace the screen with a new screen. So, yeah, the back is pretty good, the home button works, everything else is good, it's just the screen that's messed up, and yeah. This is the screen I'm going to be using for the new iPhone 8. It's pretty good, got it for like, I don't know, $20, yeah, pretty good. So let's get started. First up, you have to take out the two pencil screws in the bottom. Yeah, this doesn't take that long, just mine were a little old. Time for the second pencil screw. There it is, last one. Time to take out the screen, and since the screen is really cracked, I put tape over it so it could be easier to take out. This actually took me a while to find that. This is sped up by ×2, I'm pretty sure. It's gonna take like, it's like literally half the video. This is probably the hardest part. You have to be sure not to cut the ribbon cable from the power button, which is the right side, because there's two ribbon cables right there from the screen. If you cut them, it's game over. You have to get completely new ribbon cables and screens, which cost like 10 extra dollars. But it is pretty easy to do that. This was kind of hard because the adhesive that you have for the waterproof, it's really hard to take out the adhesive. You either have to heat it up or do it like I did, which is kind of like manhandle it. You don't care about the screen that much. And also, your phone's not gonna be waterproof after this, but it's not gonna be waterproof if it's already cracked. So it just makes sense to repair it, you know. And I think that's it. I think it's budging now. Yeah. So you can see the adhesive there. I think the phone is opened up now. You just gotta put it, just pry a little bit more so it can open up fully without. You have to be safe with these. See. This is the hardest part. That was the hardest part actually. Now we're done with the hardest part. I've opened up the screen. Now I gotta take out the battery, the screen, which I have to take out those 4 screws first from the battery because you don't want to spark anything and mess up the whole entire phone. So and also I would advise making like a drawing and what's it called? Making like a drawing of like this stuff you're cutting out so you can know where it's at. That's what I do. That take out the top part of the screen, ribbon cable from the screen. Pretty easy. Now I'm done with that and taking out the screen. It looks pretty cool. The inside of the phone. Taking out it looks pretty cool. So now let's get to putting the stuff from this old screen to the new screen. Gonna add the screen to the phone, and there, I'm done with the phone. It looks pretty good. So